Okay, I'm just going to try to make a quick collision direction video to show you how collision direction can work. It's not going to work completely because in this particular creation of the game, I don't have all the classes and stuff, so I'm just going to theoretically kind of create it for you. But say I'm in the ball class here, and I make a method, we'll call it pad hit or something like that. It's going to take a paddle as a parameter. Okay, so I'm going to store the result in this variable here, the result of collision direction. Collision direction is going to return an int based on the direction that the ball is hitting the paddle. So I'm going to say if we have an intersection. So first we have to have an intersection to run this collision direction, right? So if we have an intersection, then let's store the result of collision direction in this variable. Boom. Now, we need to have a stationary rectangle. That is the paddle. We need to have a rectangle projectile. That is the ball, or this, because we're in the ball class. And then we have a dx dy, which is going to be the dx dy of the ball. So there we go. This dot dx and this dot dy. Okay. Now, that's really kind of the big deal there at this point. If result is not -1, right? If result is not -1, then that means that I want to make a change to the direction of the ball. And let's go look at GDV5 really quick and see how we want to do that. So 0 means it's intersecting from the right. So the right. So I assume that means it's actually moving towards the left, right? Towards the left. Or intersects from the left, intersects from the top, intersects from the right. So it intersects from the right. The left side of the paddle. I don't know. Now I'm confused. Well, yeah. So let's go back and look at this real quick. So 0 is right and 2 is left. So basically, if it's even, right? So first of all, if result is not equal to -1, all right, that means that we got something different based on the intersection. And then we could say that if result mod 2. Hey guys, can we keep it down a little bit? Can we keep it down just a little bit? Equals. Guys, can we keep it? Guys. Just you can talk, but just indoor voices, okay? Indoor voices. It's not like we're in the parking lot or something, okay? All right. You can talk, just indoor voices. Left right is even. So if result is 2, then we're going to change the dx, right? So dx becomes negative dx. And so I suppose you would say else dy equals negative dy. And theoretically, that should be a pretty decent use of collision direction, I think. And maybe there's some little tweaks you have to make to it. Maybe we have to do some testing of it. I can't test it here because I don't have all the classes involved. But if you put that in your code and try to run it and it doesn't work, bring it to me. We'll take a look at it and try to debug it. All right? But that's how you use collision direction. Okay?